Complement clauses. Right, I'm going to go into a bit more detail with complement clauses in this video. And in particular, I'm going to look at subject complement clauses and object complement clauses. Complement clauses are types of subordinations, and they are elements that function as either the subject or the object within the main clause. The first example we're going to look at is the following. Walking on muddy paths is difficult. Walking on muddy paths is difficult. Okay, we are going to follow the same process that we have done so far, and you can check out my separate video on this if you are interested. In this case, we're going to look for the verbal elements, and we're going to find out what the subjects and objects of those predicates are. Right, walking. Walking on muddy paths. Who is walking? Who or what is walking? Well, in this case, the subject is sort of understood. It's a general subject. We don't really have a specific subject. Okay, and then we have is difficult. Who or what is difficult? Well, the answer to that question is walking on muddy paths. So the subject of is difficult is actually our first clause, walking on muddy paths. Walking on muddy paths functions as the subject within the main clause, for which the verb is our copular verb is, appearing together with the predicatively used adjective difficult. So this is a subject complement clause. Walking on muddy paths is a subject within another clause. Right, let's have a look at an object complement clause. I didn't know that it would be this muddy. I didn't know that it would be this muddy. Okay, let's have a look at the predicates. Didn't know or did know. We've got our auxiliary did appearing with the negation here and the main verb know. This is all one predicate. Didn't know. Who or what didn't know? I didn't know. Who or what didn't I know? So asking for the object. Who or what didn't I know? That it would be this muddy. So the second clause, that it would be this muddy, is actually the object within our first clause. I didn't know something. I didn't know that it would be this muddy. In this case, an entire clause is the object within a main clause, and this is what we call an object complement clause. You can read about this and more in my book Study Skills for Linguistics, which appeared with Routledge in 2015.